Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to set up your Galaxy A16 for the first time. This applies to all versions, okay? First, you'll need to hold down the right side button, the power button, to turn on the phone. With the screen on, now you'll tap this button here to start the setup process. You'll choose the language, click on Next, and now you'll check this option and click on Next down here again. At this step, you'll tap this button to skip this part. Here, it will ask you to connect to your home Wi-Fi network to continue with the setup. It's not necessary to set up a Wi-Fi network. If you have a SIM card with internet, you can also insert this SIM card with internet and it will unlock the option down here on the lower right, so you can continue with the setup. If you don't have internet to connect, you can click this button here to skip the Wi-Fi connection step. But if this button doesn't show up, it means you did a hard reset through recovery mode, so you'll have to connect to the internet, either by Wi-Fi or by inserting a SIM card with internet into your phone. I'm going to connect to my home internet here. If you click on this eye icon, you can see everything you're typing, okay? After entering your Wi-Fi password, if you're going to connect to Wi-Fi, click on Connect. If you're not going to connect to a Wi-Fi network, click the Next button down here, okay? Or skip the Wi-Fi connection step, and now we just wait a bit. If you connected to Wi-Fi, we have to wait about another minute. Now, at this part, you can click this button to skip this step, okay? Let's wait a little bit longer. Now, it will ask you to sign in with a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can click this button and skip this step, okay? If you do have a Google account, you can sign in with it. Scroll down and click on Accept here. For those who don't know, your Google account is the same as your Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, you can sign in with it on the previous screen I showed you. So here, you'll select Google and click on Next. Here, I'm going to skip this step so the video doesn't get too long, and I'll uncheck this option so I don't install all these apps on my phone. I'll be manually choosing the apps I want to install on my phone, like the calculator, internet browser, notepad, voice recorder, and also Spotify. I'll click on OK, and now we wait a little longer. At this part, you'll click on these small letters down here. We'll click here again on the small letters to skip this step. Scroll all the way down and skip this step again. Here, you'll skip this step. Click Leave this option enabled and click this button. Choose either light mode or dark mode and click on Next. Wait a little longer to finish the setup. And now you'll click on Next. We've finished the color, the setup, so click on Finish. If this pops up on your screen, click this button and then click Yes to skip this step. Okay, we've finished setting up the phone and that was today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I did, don't forget to leave a like, drop your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.